Greeting fellow modeler, I hope you are doing very well. Today we're looking at a model from ORLIK in March 2017, kit number 27, scale 133. And of course it is a TS11 Iskra. It's a very interesting trainer. As you can see, the instructions are in Polish, and I love the fact that it gives those detail that you need to pay attention to. For example, the thickness of the material used, the folding, it's very well done. And of course, some more instructions here. And here is what blows me away about this kit. Now look at the ejection seat. If you can see it closely, you see the detail is showing you how it stays from a cross section. It shows you the instrument panel in the cockpit and the instruments in the nose. Highly detailed, really beautiful kit from ORLIK here. And as you can see, this is the nose section. It's nice. Let me see if I hold it up, you can see clearly what I'm seeing. It's pretty decent. And here, the reinforcement structure. Now these you will glue on to the recommended thickness, cardstock, and of course the hinges in red. And oh, some more details. The other side of the nose section showing the wiring diagram. Really well done. Totally impressed here. And as we skip the page, this is what I live for. The fuselage of your Iskra. Now, if you look, you see that red band there. I usually find, like, in case of any mistakes, you can use that as scrap to cut to join. And here are the different fin numbers. So you can build any of the 10 types that was done. Very, very good. Thanks, ORLIK. Here you see the color swatches for any mistakes or excess you want to cover. And look at that. Hope you can see that clearly. The cockpit arrangements with the dial, the switches, really nicely printed. Pretty decent here. Beautiful. This is a model you want to take your time building, and I think what will blow me away about this model is the fact that the display you can have in terms of the open nose section and see the details of the nose. Some more hinges. Main wing panel, and you see, I think that's 140 GSM sheet paper that's used, printed on, and it's smooth. It's not dot matrix, it's not dotted. It's really, really nice. Decent sheen, decent outlook. And here you see you have F1, F2, F3. These here you can make your mold from, and you can then make your plastic canopies. It's really good. The wiring diagram for what you want, and the detail for the tailpipe. Nice. Oh look, a ladder, the access ladder. Neat. Just can't get enough of those details. So for a kit from ORLIK, it is a pretty decent value. It's a lovely trainer, right up there with the other series of trainer. Nice. And here, the nose section. So I think the main value of doing a kit like this is to display the nose area and probably leave the canopy open so you can pay attention to the details inside the cockpit. And pretty much that's it. The profiles, general landing legs, nice. So it's a fairly decent kit from ORLIK. This is, like I said, from 2017. It's a lovely one, highly recommended. So hope you take care in getting one. As always, people, one love.